Good evening, bonsoir, namaste. This is Naveen Manchanda from IATE, Indian Association of Travel and Tourism Experts. I would like to welcome all of you for this edition of Travel Talk. And I would also like to thank you for the support that we are receiving from IATEans and the travel fraternity from our travel colleagues. So continuing with this series, IATE is doing its job to keep connecting various verticals and to keep bringing positive news to you, motivating news to you. And under this series today, we feel glad that we are lucky today to bring a very special guest to you under Travel Talk series. And whenever you talk about tourism in India, the very first name which comes to your mind, if you talk about the veteran of tourism industry and somebody very important from tourism industry in India, the very first name which comes to your mind, he is going to be our guest today. So he needs no introduction. I'm sure that you've understood I'm talking about Dr. Subhash Goyal, and we are proud to have him today on board with us. And I mean, he needs no introduction. So everybody knows about Dr. Subhash Goyal. Everybody knows about his experience. He has been president of most of the associations in India. Everybody knows about the Strict Group and Air Charters. So Dr. Subhash Verma needs no introduction. But why we are so proud? Because he started travel business with a scratch. And today, Strict Travels is one of the leading companies, one of the biggest travel companies in India. They represent 10 airlines, 4 cruises, and 3 car rental companies. So with this, I would like to welcome Dr. Subhash Goyal to our show.
Thank you,
Namaskar,
Naveen.
sir.
Namaskar ji,
Welcome,
thank you very much for having me on your show today. I must compliment you that in such a short time, you have a huge membership of more than 1,600 people. So my best wishes.
Thank you.
So I think we are all aware that not only the country, but the whole world is going through a crisis. And we need to come out of this crisis as soon as possible. And to do that, we all in our own humble way are trying to motivate people and skill people. I mean, on behalf of IATO, we have done various skill development programs, and a few 100,000 people have benefited from it. Similarly, as chairman of India Tourism Mart and General Secretary Faith, we did 2 tourism marts, 2 physical tourism marts, where we had more than 260 delegates from all over the world in both these marts, from about 70 countries, and we have taken up each and every issue which has come during this crisis, right from the Prime Minister down to the lowest level. But unfortunately, we have not had the the result or the response of bailing out the industry or even giving us a survival package, which the rest of the whole world has done. But anyway, we have to help each other, and it is the darkest before dawn. And I'm sure together we shall overcome, and every dark cloud has a silver lining. And the silver lining is that over 200 million people have been vaccinated. And we have requested the government that those who have been vaccinated all over the world, they should start e-tourist visas as soon as possible. And we should allow, scheduled international flights to start, at least to those countries with which we have an air bubble agreement. Right. So having said that, I think I'm all yours, whatever you want to ask.
Thank you so much.
We all have to fight together, and let's keep fighting until we succeed.
Right. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for this. I mean, we all agree on, you have been fighting a lot for our rights, and obviously the tourism industry is suffering, and we need people like you to support the industry to help us, grow more. And so